Hello, my name is Angela Giovanna. My next vacation, I will go with my family to Caño Cristal. First, we are going to travel to Fuente de Oro Meta to visit my husband's family. We are going to travel by car. We will share with the family because we love nature as it is a natural reserve is located in the Serranía of the Macarena. It is a river of six colors: red, yellow, green, black, blue, and pigment. Is a spot crystal or river of the seven colors. We will be 7 days. We will enjoy the pools, waterfalls, and their animals. My children will be happy because they love this place. Finally, I hope we can go in December and be able to rest. Thank you very much.